What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock your Ninebot F2 series scooter. So here I have F2 Plus. This option is applicable for F2, F2 Pro. Currently in sport mode it can drive up to 25 km per hour. So in this video I will show you how to unlock it to 32 km per hour, which is maximum speed for the scooter. Also, if you now have 20 km per hour, it can work for your scooter as well. So firstly, let's start. What you need to do is to open the app called Scooter Hacking Utility app. You need to download it first. So I will leave a link in the description below how to do it. So open the app. After you connect to the app, click on the top right corner, 3 dots, hardware details, and copy UIDs. So actually you should click this button here, click it, it's copied. Then go to Telegram. I will leave a link in the description below about this bot. So here what you need to type is to type start. Okay, I understand. Then select your scooter, so actually F2 series here, and need to paste your UID, so I will paste it now. After you paste it, you'll wait for firmware to be appeared here. Okay, so you got the zip file with your firmware to downgrade. So need to download, save to download. So after it's downloaded, go back to your to the app, the Scooter Hacking Utility app. I already renamed the zip package to 123. So go to Scooter Hacking Utility, choose the flash, and load from file, my files. So as you see, I have here 123. I rename it. It will be with your name. Click done. And as you see, friendly name is unlock your Ninebot. Click start flash and need to wait until the flash will be over. Wait a bit, and what you should do after you update, of course, you change the serial number so to the global one, so you can ride up to 32 km per hour, and even your scooter can support upgrade, so you can use the Ninebot app without any issues, upgrade your scooter and use it whatever you want. So let's wait until it will be finished. Okay, it's done. You hear some noise, performing post-flash operation. Usually it will take like 10 seconds maybe. But if you got this noise, so it's successfully already. And after flash is done, so you go to the tools, change the region and change J to S. If you have other scooter, actually it will be maybe some other guidance, but for F2 Plus, F2 and F2 Pro, you need to change only this letter. Click change. So you hear the 2 beeps here. Now let's go to reconnect it. Let's first try, maybe it's already will work out. As you see, maximum speed is 32 km per hour. So actually what you want to achieve, you will also unlock the cruise mode here. You can connect it to Segway app and use all maximum possibilities of your scooter, and all the main characteristics will be supported. You can update your scooter without any issues. Alright, if you want to support my channel, just found the link in the description below. Leave the comments also under the video, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.